The cultivation of crops involves certain activities which the farmers use for the production of crop. The activities or tasks undertaken by farmer to grow crop are referred to as agricultural practices. The agricultural practices are as follows: preparation of soil, sowing, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, storage. Here we will discuss each agricultural practice one by one. We will also see the use of some agricultural equipments and how they help in attaining the agricultural practices. The preparation of soil is the first step for growing a crop. One of the most important practices in agriculture is turning and loosening the soil. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil and breathe easily. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes easily. These organisms are termed as friends of farmers and add humus to the soil. But why does the soil need to be turned and loosened? Why the farmer doesn't grow his crop directly in the soil? The turning and loosening of the soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plant can use these nutrients. Thus, turning and loosening of the soil is very important for cultivation of the crops. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. This is done by using equipment called plough. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before ploughing. The ploughed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. The field is then leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. Agricultural implements used for the preparation of the soil are plough, hoe, cultivator. Let us see how the plough is used first. This is a very old implement used for tilling the soil. It is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals. Plough contains a strong triangular iron strip called ploughshare. The main part of the plough is a long log of wood called plough shaft. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on a bull's neck. Nowadays, wooden plough is replaced by iron plough. It also has same parts as wooden plough, only it is made of metal. Another implement that we used for the preparation of soil is a hoe. Hoe is used for loosening the soil and removing weeds. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. Nowadays, ploughing is done by cultivator. Cultivator is driven by a tractor, so requires less of human and animal efforts. The use of cultivator saves labor and time.